I want to take a minute to show you how I pull up a case. So this goes with the PowerPoint, but if I am looking at a case citation where it's 368 Illinois Decisions 189, abbreviated ILL period DEC. So I am looking at, on my shelf. These are not all in order, but it should look like something on order of these books. So then I pull out 368, and then I go to page 189. You see here, the pages are in the upper right-hand corner of these books. So I'm going to look for page 189. So then I have this case. It is then, here we go, 368 ILDEC 189. My name of the case is Porris, P-O-R-I-S, versus Lake Holiday Property Owners Association. And it's from the Supreme Court of Illinois, 2013. So I know my court, right? Supreme Court of Illinois, and I have my year of decision. Okay, so this is what a case looks like in the book. Now, this is an unofficial reporter, so you have these editorial enhancements here. It talks the background, it gives a listing of holdings, and then we have head notes, which we will talk about a little later on in the semester, and we have our West key numbers, again, which we will talk about later on in the semester, but it's just a way of organizing the case and pulling out important issues so that you can determine whether this case is on point to you. Okay, so we don't actually get, so 189, 190, we're on page 199 when we actually get to the text of the opinion. And this is where you can cite it as law. Okay, so this is the real law here, our primary law. Okay, so Justice Thomas delivered the opinion. I'm gonna just page through it. Okay, so we have our background, which goes for a couple of pages. Then we have our analysis on page 196, where they start doing their legal analysis for a few pages. And then here we go, our conclusion. And then back here, and this is you're gonna work on this for the homework, you have your disposition. So the disposition is, what did this case do to, this opinion do to the prior case in court? So it affirmed, the appellate court judgment was reversed in part and affirmed in part. Okay, and that's which justice agreed in this decision. Okay, so, and then we would be on to the next case if we were looking at the book, which is People versus Grant, 368 ILDEC 205.